Let's take a metric conversion for the length. The bigger unit is kilometer, then meter, centimeter and millimeter. So first of all, I am going to convert bigger to smaller unit. So 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, 1 kilometer is equal to 10,000 millimeter. These are the bigger to smaller. Now I am taking smaller to bigger unit. So first of all, meter. So 1 meter is equal to 0.001 kilometer. Then 1 centimeter is equal to 0.01 meter. 1 millimeter is equal to 0.0001 kilometer.